Pulmonary stenosis. Anatomy review. Pulmonary valve is located between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Opens during systole to allow blood to flow into the lungs. Has three cusps, anterior, right, and left. What is pulmonary stenosis? Pulmonary stenosis is a narrowing of the pulmonary valve or the area just before or after it. This limits blood flow from the right ventricle to the lungs, leads to increased right ventricular pressure. Types of pulmonary stenosis. Valvular, most common, narrowing of valve leaflets. Subvalvular, infundibular, narrowing below the valve. Supravalvular, narrowing above the valve. Peripheral, narrowing in the branches of pulmonary artery. Pathophysiology. Obstruction at pulmonary valve. Increased right ventricular pressure. Right ventricular hypertrophy. Reduced blood flow to lungs. If severe, can lead to right heart failure. Clinical features. Dyspnea on exertion. Fatigue. Cyanosis, in severe cases. Hepatomegaly. Right upper sternal border systolic murmur. Jugular venous distension. Syncope, rare. Diagnosis. Physical exam, systolic ejection murmur. Echocardiogram, confirms site and severity of narrowing. ECG, shows RV hypertrophy. Chest X-ray, prominent pulmonary artery. Cardiac catheterization, for definitive diagnosis and treatment planning. Severity classification of pulmonary valve stenosis. Mild pulmonary valve stenosis is defined by a pressure gradient less than 30 mmHg. Patients usually have no significant symptoms. Moderate pulmonary valve stenosis is defined by a pressure gradient between 30 and 60 mmHg. Patients may need intervention depending on their symptoms and clinical condition. Severe pulmonary valve stenosis is defined by a pressure gradient greater than 60 mmHg. These patients require intervention to relieve the obstruction. Management. Medical, mild cases, regular follow-up. Diuretics, if signs of heart failure. Interventional, balloon valvuloplasty, first line for valvular stenosis. Surgical repair or valve replacement, if balloon fails or for complex cases. Complications. Right ventricular hypertrophy. Right heart failure. Arrhythmias. Cyanosis. Sudden cardiac death, rare. Pulmonary stenosis is equal to narrowed outflow from RV to lungs. Most common as a congenital heart defect. Diagnosed with echocardiogram. Treated by balloon valvuloplasty or surgery.